Hello friend and welcome to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is English with Papu. My name is Papu. So I'm welcome to my YouTube channel. So today topic, you know about today topic because you see my thumbnail. So let's jump to the video. So don't be late. Okay. So today topic is how to become English in a fluency. So how to speak in English as a fluency in yourself and in your home. So I will give you more 5 tips. So in 5 tips and in 5 habit, you what you think about it. So I am sharing with you in this video what you think. If you use that, so you can achieve your fluency in speaking English. So now I am telling that what is the 5 technique speaking in English. So when we are starting speaking our mother tongue, that time our mind was empty. So we are giving in our mind like input as a input in English. So it will give you output like what you give input. Like see the phone. This is the phone. Like it is not no charging in the phone. Now phone is dead. If I am charging this phone, so like 100% I am charging this phone, so it will give me uses like 8 hour to 10 hour. If I am giving it 20% charge, it is not giving me 8 hour uses like this. So if I am fully charging this phone, so it will give me 8 hour to 10 hour. So that type our mind. So if you want to give like how many time you spent in English in your mind, first you have free time 5 minutes, so you can see the result after 1 month, and you speaking a little bit, and you increase yourself speaking English, increase a little bit. So are you giving lot of time like 1 hour, 2 hour? You improve speaking skill in yourself. You can see the different in between. So first give give your time in speaking English. So the first thing is I'm saying you 5 tips I will giving you. So now the 5 things I'm sharing with you. So first one is listening. Are you listening 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes in a day? So that type result you can see in yourself. If you practice speaking in yourself 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, like how many time you practice speaking in anyone and alone, and you choose shadowing like what I am choosing. I am every day speaking alone in front of mirror and making a video. So that type you speak in yourself. So another one is listening and speaking, and another one is writing. What you think, you first write it in your notebook. Okay, first write it and you see the change yourself. Okay, so next one is reading. Okay, so first reading the book, and reading loudly, not reading yourself slowly. Because if you speak loudly, it will be increase your voice and your fluence and your vocabulary. So first listening, then speaking, then reading, then writing, and last one is 5 number is thinking. Thinking is very important things. First I'm sharing with you, everyone is translating in their mind. So don't be translating English in your mind, because if you translate English, it is very difficult you, because you know the grammar rule, and you think I'm translating in, I mistake grammar, I mistake vocabulary. So don't translate English in your mind. First you think. Think is a very positive word. If you think, you can achieve your fluency. So don't be try to translate in English. Okay. So it's my last tips. don't we translate in English. First thinking in yourself how to speak in English and everything where you go. Like I am showing you a example. My daily routine. So when I am woke up, now I am woke up 6 o'clock. Now I'm brushing my teeth and I'm finishing my morning routine. Then I running 1 kilometer. Then I came to home. Then I feed, then I'm going to my college. So that type things what you do every day, you can think and imagine it yourself in your mind. So first you think and imagine yourself. So then, and next one is, so when you going to sleep on your bed, so that time you can recognize yourself, remember what you do, what you did do in today. So that very important, useful for speaking in English. First you remember what you did do in the day. So that things it will improve your speaking English. So I think this video helpful for you. If you found this video helpful for you, so give me a thumbs up and share, subscribe my channel, because it motivated me to make this type video. And I want to help you. So how I am speaking English, so I'm sharing with you in this channel.